today I'm going to be showing something I'm going to call the over the head wrist flick, which is the first trick that looks like this. So first of all, I'm going to be facing this mirror and away from you the whole time just because I think you can see more in my small space. Number two, to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your patience. If you've noticed, I've been away for a long time, and I apologize. Long story short, had a really terrible auto accident, and here we are. So go ahead and, you know what, actually I want to talk about a few concepts first, like the name, why is it a wrist flick? Number one, I think some confusion could be like, is this a handspin? It's not. This is a handspin. Now I do have a short tutorial about that, as well as how to transition into a one-handed helicopter, or Katie Emmons has a great tutorial on what a handspin is. That's a handspin. A palm spin, is it that? No, this is a palm spin. A palm spin is when your palm's actually open and it's spinning on it. So this essentially I'm calling a wrist flick because I'm literally holding the hoop and like turning a doorknob, flicking it back and forth. So literally without a hoop, I'm like turning a doorknob. With a hoop, go ahead and let's grab your hoop, thumbs up, and now let's go thumbs down. From thumbs down, let's talk about range of motion in our bodies. We can go up, one, flip, and maybe one more, and you'll see that's awkward. That's as much as we can move it. But if we move it back and forth, left, right, it looks kind of fancy, right? Essentially, we're doing the same thing above our head, just flicking our wrist. So play around with that for a little bit if that makes sense to you. Let's move on. Let's start on our right side. We're going to start with our right side, thumbs up. You're going to sweep in front of your body until it moves to the left side of your body, and we're going to end thumbs down. I'm going to go behind and sweep behind us until we're back in our starting point of thumbs up. Without a hoop, you're really doing thumbs up on the right, sweep, thumbs down, sweep, thumbs up. Thumbs up on the right, sweep, thumbs down, sweep behind, thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs up. But wait, that looks different than this. It's just speed. It's really the difference of me saying, I'm doing the trick, versus, right? So just speed up your wrist a little bit. So that's it. I'll review it on the left side, essentially the same thing. Thumbs up, left side. Sweep across your body in the front, thumbs down when you're on the opposite side. Sweep behind you and end in thumbs up, your starting position. Again, just speed it up. Now, if you want a little bonus, like that combo I did in the beginning, I'll explain that real fast. All I did was the over the head spin, and then you're in this position. I found that to translate quite well into a forward folding escalator. If you need a tutorial on that, I already have one, so go ahead and keep that if you need. From here, all I did was use my left hand to isolate up, and then anti-spin into a chest roll. So I do have an anti-spin tutorial. I do have a chest roll tutorial. I will say the chest roll tutorial is really old. If you've seen it and you don't like it, be honest with me. I'll make another one. It's really old. I think it was one of my first tutorials. Also, I just want to say, if you come here and you're like, I don't want to isolate, you can always step the foot out and go ahead and go into escalator. So really that's it. It's a very simple, very flashy looking trick. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, if you do have questions, comments, concerns, please comment them here or find me at Instagram at Tanuki Twirls. I'm also on Facebook at Tiffany Tanuki Twirls. So if you do the trick, I would love to see it. Please tag me, and as always, feel free to do any tutorial requests. I do have like an ongoing log of them, so I will get to you. You're not being ignored. Just please like comment and I'll get back to you. And if you think I forgot about you, maybe I did, just comment again. I don't mind being bothered more than once. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.